Hello, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saokar Navale. I am owner of World Class Dental Clinic which is located in Pune on FC Road. Today I am making this video especially for my patients who ask us what is zirconia crown and what are the perks of zirconia crowns. So zirconia crown is just like a PFM crown. Means PFM means ceramic crown, you must have heard, but the only difference between the PFM crown and zirconia crown is that it is made up of zirconium oxide, which is a very strong material, and instead of it is not fused to any type of metal. So that is the biggest advantage. So we ask patient that if you have to clearly go for the zirconia crowns, there are basically three main advantages. First one is the translucency. Aesthetic wise, zirconia crowns are better since it is made up of only zirconium oxide. The translucency, the way light passes through the material is very good. It is like a natural tooth, natural enamel, so that is one advantage. Second, if you are allergic to metals, normally in PFM crown there is metal inside and outside there is coating of ceramic. So in this there is no metal, so it is definitely a clear-cut advantage if you are allergic to metals. Third important thing, most of the time patient asks the durability wise, so it is also very durable. Most of these crowns are CAD/CAM generated, that is computer aided manufacturing and designing, so the fit is very good, so they fit perfectly fine, and it is mostly recommended in anterior teeth where the aesthetic concern is more. Another thing, when we choose the PFM crown, that time there are tendency, if we are eating something hard food stuff, the metal the ceramic part will chip off. That time if we are place a PFM crown in the front teeth and something chip off and metal part is exposed, it is not at all aesthetically good. So anterior teeth, if PFM is getting chip off, patient has to replace that crown immediately. In zirconia this doesn't happen since there is no metal, so that is also an advantage. Then the patient asks the cost wise. Yes, cost wise there is slight amount of difference between when you compare to ceramic and zirconia, but definitely the perks are more with zirconia crowns. So definitely you can go for zirconia crowns if you are too much concerned about the aesthetic and the crown replacement is needed in the front teeth. Another thing, the fixing part, how it is fixed. It is fixed just like normal veneers, where we coat the material, fix the crown structure and light cure it. So definitely it is not that painful procedure. Most of the patient ask us whether if we are going for the crowns and all, we means will you inject anesthesia or something like that. No, most of the time we keep the margins at the gingiva, equigingivally or subgingivally also, but in that case also anesthesia is not required and it is a painless procedure. So definitely this is what I want to tell you about zirconia crowns. Major advantages of zirconia crowns: whether the procedure of fixing the crown is painful, no. Preparing the tooth for crown is painful, no.